Hi everyone, my name's Dima and I'm a dentist and an orthodontic registrar. Today we're going to be talking all about charcoal toothpastes. I bought some from Amazon and we're going to be opening it today, trying it out and talking a little bit about why we should not be using charcoal toothpastes. This is the first thing we're going to be looking at. This is a charcoal whitening toothpaste which promises to polish teeth, freshens breath, safe on enamel, and it's fluoride free. And we have this activated coconut charcoal teeth whitening powder, fluoride free and organic. This promises to whiten teeth, remove tooth stains, freshen breath, strengthens enamel. But first things first, you're going to follow me to the bathroom now. We're going to go try these out and I'm going to include some before and after pictures of my own teeth. And then we're going to come back here and have a little chat about why we should not be using these. So we're going to start by using the charcoal activated toothpaste. We're going to be using this on a toothbrush and brushing our teeth for 2 minutes in small circular motions.
Quite a bit came out, even though I was supposed to use a pea-sized amount. It did feel quite gritty, quite harsh on my teeth. Tried to do it in circular motions like they advised, and it did taste minty to be fair, but afterwards it just left a horrible aftertaste in my mouth.
From the photos, there wasn't much difference using this toothpaste. I understand that this is supposed to be a long-term toothpaste that you're supposed to use. However, we're now going to start on the 3 main reasons why you should not be using these long-term. Number 1, the ingredients list of both of these toothpastes, as well as every other charcoal toothpaste on the market, includes something called activated charcoal or charcoal powder. The reason why we should not be using these is because they are extremely abrasive particles within a toothpaste. Now, don't get me wrong, all toothpaste includes some abrasives, which is obviously there to help you clean the teeth. However, in most normal toothpaste on the market, these are mild abrasive. In charcoal toothpaste, these are basically sandpaper, and what you are essentially doing is rubbing away layers of enamel from your teeth, reducing the strength of your teeth and also causing you to have more sensitivity. You'll probably realize after long-term use of either of these type of toothpaste, whether it's a activated powder or an actual paste version of it, you'll end up with very, very sensitive teeth, where you'll even struggle to have a drink of cold water on a summer's day or an ice cream. If I gave you a piece of sandpaper and told you to keep rubbing it on your teeth until your teeth go white, would you do that? The answer is probably no, because you know you are losing layers of enamel from your teeth by doing that. That is exactly what these charcoal toothpastes are doing to your teeth. The claims on both of these toothpastes that they strengthen enamel, it's just not true. The claims on these toothpastes that they whiten teeth, yes, if you probably use it for long enough and you're stripping away layers of enamel from your teeth, then eventually you might see that your teeth are a little bit whiter. Which brings me on to the second reason why we should not be using these toothpaste. If you are looking to buy this toothpaste to whiten your teeth or to buy some sort of powder, the reality is they will not whiten to a level where the human eye would be able to notice a significant difference. This is because there are 2 types of staining that teeth can experience. One is intrinsic staining and the other is extrinsic staining. Extrinsic staining are things that come about because of tea, coffee, tobacco, red wine. Intrinsic stains are stains within your actual tooth. This could be due to many reasons. For example, antibiotic use when you were a baby, or really high levels of fluoride when your teeth were still forming. There are lots of other types of intrinsic staining, and most of these are very difficult to remove, especially with something like this. It's just not going to happen. The only way to actually whiten your teeth to a level that the human eye would be able to notice the difference in hue and colour of your teeth would be to whiten your teeth with a dental professional who can actually provide you with hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide at a safe level to use in your mouth on your teeth, and that is the only way you will be able to guarantee whiter teeth. And finally, to the third reason why we should not be using these type of toothpaste is because of the claim that they are fluoride free. Fluoride is absolutely essential for the strength and health of your enamel and for the prevention of decay. So if you're using a fluoride-free toothpaste thinking you're doing your teeth a favor, this is actually the worst possible thing that you could do to your teeth. As you eat food, any type of food, whether it's sugar or not sugary food, this causes the pH in your mouth to drop, which means that your mouth becomes more acidic. Fluoride reduces the solubility of your hydroxyapatite, which is the components of your enamel, by binding to it and making it into fluoroapatite, which is a much less soluble component, meaning that the acid in your mouth can't dissolve your enamel. If you're having fluoride-free toothpaste, then essentially your mouth is in a constant state of acidity and your pH is always quite low, meaning that on the pH chart over here, this is where your mouth pH should sit, but yours is always constantly sitting about here.
pH 5.5 is the critical pH at which your hydroxyapatite in your enamel starts to become soluble.
So if you're using a fluoride-free toothpaste such as this one, I really hope you are incorporating a separate fluoride toothpaste that is just your normal average toothpaste that you buy from any supermarket, any brand, Colgate, Oral-B. This video is clearly not sponsored. You can use anything as long as it has fluoride in it. And you want to look for having at least about 1,350 parts per million in your fluoride toothpaste.
This is one of the toothpaste that I tend to use. As you can see, it's a standard Colgate Total toothpaste. You want it to have between 1,350 to 1,500 parts per million of fluoride for it to be sufficient to actually protect your teeth.
So that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I've explained why we should not use these toothpaste. And if you do want to use these toothpaste, just remember that you must be using a fluoride toothpaste alongside these. These should never replace your standard toothpaste. And also do not use these toothpaste long term, as you will be causing damage to your teeth. If you have any video requests or any dental questions that you have, pop them down below and I will answer them next time for you. Thank you, bye.